SMEs remain bedrock to a nation's economy. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week, we talked about Nigerian stock market and H1 performance review. Today, we want to look at capital market and SMEs financing. Small and medium-scale enterprises, SMEs, are considered an integral and vital component of a nation's economy based on the fact that their activities do affect and add to economic growth, transformation, social values, employment, and social stability. The Board of International Organization of Securities Commissions, IOSCO, in its report on SME financing through capital markets, stated that SMEs have a major role in contributing towards long-term economic growth and employment. However, SMEs often face limited access to financing, due in part to the relatively higher risk associated with investing in them. The report further identified various sources of funds for SMEs and stressed the role the capital market will have to play going forward. It states thus: SMEs have largely relied on bank loans for financing rather than capital market. However, since the financial crisis, access to banking lending has become more challenging following a period of bank deleveraging, reducing lending and tighter lending criteria by the bank, as well as the introduction of more stringent capital requirements associated with Basel III. In this regard, and against the backdrop of a shift towards market-based financing, there is rather a therefore greater need for capital market to play a strong role as a source of financing for SMEs. The above statement does put in perspective that the capital market will be the safe haven for SMEs in terms of financing. The Nigerian Stock Exchange, in its effort to boost SME, created the Alternative Security Market (ASEM), a specialized board for emerging businesses, small and mid-sized companies with high growth potential. It gives such companies the opportunity to raise long-term capital from the market at a relatively low cost and allowing them to grow and institutionalize, while such companies need to meet the regulatory requirements of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the Corporate Affairs Commission, and the Security and Exchange Commission before they can access the capital market for fresh capital. A review of the year-to-date performance of the stocks listed under ASEM revealed that Omoluabi Savings and Loans has recorded 4.55% year-to-date gain, while Smurfit, Union Vent, and Magnicos all recorded 22.52%, 4.55%, and 3.38% year-to-date losses respectively. The remaining 7 closed flat. The NSE, in its 2014 Corporate Social Responsibility Report, stated that the Alternative Security Market (ASEM), a specialized board for the listing of SME, which it launched in April 2013, achieved strong progress during the year, establishing a pipeline of companies at different stages of listing. It further said since the launch, ASEM has recorded remarkable progress. Over 10 organizations have benefited from being listed on ASEM. In addition, the NSE has focused on building awareness through education, communication, and partnership. Through running workshops and roadshows, the exchange reached over 4,000 SMEs and featured ASEM at a number of large industry conferences. It has also partnered with an SME-related trade association, the Small and Medium Enterprises Development Agency of Nigeria, SMEDEN. While we encourage the NSE for its efforts at making a way out for SMEs, we also want to stress that they should look at ways of making the listing requirements less stringent so that more SMEs can make it to the board. The following AGMs are upcoming in the market: Cornerstone Insurance on the 21st of July 2015 and UAC Properties on the 1st of September 2015. On corporate actions, UAC Properties recommended 50 kobo dividend with closure date set for 31st of August 2015. CBN moves 245th MPC meeting to 23rd and 24th July. The Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria and Chairman of the Monetary Policy Committee, established under Section 12 of the CBN Act No. 7 of 2007, has estimated that the end of Ramadan may fall about 17 July, while public holidays may be between the period 20 and 21st July 2015, and the scheduled date for the 245th meeting of the committee. To enable all stakeholders concentrate on the Eid marking the end of fasting and the expected public holiday, the chairman has directed that the 245th meeting of the MPC shall hold on Thursday 23rd and Friday, 24 July 2015. The bank regrets any inconvenience this challenge in date may cause. All stakeholders are kindly advised to note the new date. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. See you again next week. Bye for now.